Welcome back to the WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to use the WPDM package lists, also known as Package Collection add-on, with WordPress Download Manager. The Package List add-on allows your visitors to create and manage custom package lists, wish lists, or collections of downloadable products. Users can also share these collections on social media. Before we begin, make sure you already have WordPress Download Manager and the WPDM Package Lists add-on installed and activated on your website. Now, let's get started. First, navigate to Downloads, then go to Settings, and open the Package Lists tab. This page contains all the available settings for the Package List add-on. At the top, you'll notice instructions about using the Add to List template tags. Let's see how these template tags work. Go to Templates, open Link Templates, and clone an existing template so we can customize it. Name the template. Now, insert the Add to List template tag into the template. Save the changes and check the preview. As you can see, the Add to List button is appearing. Now let's try the second method. I am replacing Add to List tag with the Add to List URL tag and wrapping it inside a custom button. Save the template once again and preview it. Now let's check the button from the front-end download table. We have applied the customized link template for Package Lists button. Here you can see the template ID. In the Downloads table, the Add to List button is visible. Click on that button and a modal will appear. You can create a new package list or add that package to a specific list. Let's create a new list and provide a name to that list by clicking here. Current items will be saved in this list. You can make the list private as well. Private list is only visible to you in the user dashboard. Other users won't be able to access the private list. Click on Save New List and close the modal. Now let's return to the package list settings. This is the most useful features of this add-on, Auto-Generate List button. When this option is enabled, WordPress Download Manager automatically inserts the Add to List button into both your link templates and page templates. That means you don't need to manually edit every template or add template tags yourself. We recommend keep it enabled. Let's check if the Add to List button added or not. Here you can see the List button appeared for all the packages. You can also customize the Add to List button label that will appear throughout your site. For example, let's change the label to something like this. You can also choose an icon to display alongside the button text. Let's select an icon and preview the result. As you can see, both the icon and label are displayed together. If you prefer a cleaner, minimal design, you can even leave the label empty and display only the icon. Let's clear the label and check the preview with icon. Next, let's create a dedicated page where users can view and manage their package lists. Create a new page. Provide an appropriate name. Insert the WPDM package list shortcode into the page. Then click Publish or Update. After that, select the newly created page as a shortcode page for package lists. Now let's visit the front end. You can see all of the created lists displayed here, making it easy for users to organize and manage their collections. Remember that only public lists will be visible here. Now let's configure the sharing options. Go back to Package List Settings. Scroll down to the Sharing Network section. Here you can choose which social media platforms users can use to share their public package lists. Available options include Facebook, Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. For this demonstration, let's enable Facebook and Twitter. Save the settings. Users can share their package lists directly from their dashboard. Let's see how it works. Go to Dashboard, then open the Package List section. Select the list you'd like to share. Before sharing, make sure the package list is set to public. Private lists cannot be shared. Under the list of packages, you'll find the available sharing options. Let's click Facebook. A Facebook sharing window opens automatically with the public package list URL already attached. Simply make any changes you'd like to the post, then click Share. Your package list is now shared with your Facebook audience. Now let's try another platform. Click the LinkedIn sharing option. A LinkedIn post window appears with the package list link already included. Click Post, and your package list is instantly shared with your professional network. And that's it. Thanks for watching.